Well, hello everyone. My name is Sean Chiquin, one of the co-founders of Gohiso, and today I'm going to give you a step-by-step from sign up all the way to a live profile to show you how easy it is. So go to gohiso.com, take a look at this beautiful booking page. You're going to click sign in with email right here. It's going to drop down. LeBron James did not endorse this, but I am going to use his name to show you the sign-in process. I'll just use that. And then put a password in. Now, boom, sign up. Right here, you're going to check your email and you're going to confirm your registration. Okay, so then you're going to check your email. You'll see a link just like this. Go ahead and click this link here. Once you click the link, it'll say your registration has been confirmed. Now, because of the way Amazon's web services work, we have to go log in. We're working on this, but you have to go back to this page and log in. So let's log in after the email's confirmed. Okay, so at this screen, this is where you're going to decide if you're going to sell services or just buy. If you just want to buy services, make sure that this time zone is correct and just click I only want to buy services. If you want to, on the other hand, sell services on Gohiso, you have to upload your ID so we can make sure you actually are who you say you are. You're going to go ahead, click choose file. I'll just pick this here, upload this. I click check both of these to show that I'm legally allowed to work. I'm going to fix this misspelling and that we agree to the Gohiso terms of service. Click confirm to sell services and success. Now we're on to the next step. Okay, so now we've uploaded our ID. It's time to set up with Stripe so you guys can get paid. Click connect with Stripe here. All right, go ahead and put in your phone number. Oops. I'm just putting in a test number here. It's going to send a verification code to your mobile phone. Check your phone. This is just a test, so I'm putting 0 on mine. Okay, so then it opens up. You have to put your date of birth in. King James, 12/30/1984. You're going to decide how you want to get paid, either debit card or bank account. For this one, let's use a debit card. This is a test number, by the way. Okay, and then we're going to click Create Account. And I think we're done. Great, so now we're done. We've verified at our Stripe. You'll see there's a little notification here. It will say your ID is being verified by admin. It will be processed in less than an hour. And now we can proceed to building a service. Dashboard, it's time to make our first service. You're going to go down to Services here. You're going to click New Service. This is going to load up. First, we're going to start out with the title. I'm going to use very simple ones. So I'm going to say basketball by LeBron, let's say, as a title. I'll put this in the category of lessons, overview. This is a simple explanation just if in case they don't recognize the title, they'll have an overview. So we say basketball lessons by a pro, let's say. I'm not going to say he's the GOAT. From LeBron, let's say that. Okay. Description, this is where we're going to put everything about your service. I'm going to try to do this quick, so it could be anything. I have over 20 years of experience. I've coached 100, blah, blah, whatever. Okay. Next, you're going to come to your cancellation policy. We recommend clicking flexible in the beginning just to get started. Then you're going to click next. Next, you're going to put where do you want to offer your service. Now, if LeBron is offering his basketball lessons at a court of his own, he's going to put my location. Let's say he's going to do mobile basketball coaching in this example. We're going to put his service zip code. Let's say he's living in Beverly Hills, 90210. Right here, primary service area. This is the amount of miles that you're willing to travel without charging anything extra. This will be included in the price. So let's just put for LeBron, it's going to be 10 miles he'll include, and the maximum he's willing to travel here. This is with a fee. Let's say the maximum he's willing to travel is 50 miles. Okay. Next, in travel fees, this is where you're going to put basically what the travel fee will be between the free amount, which is the 10 miles, and the paid amount, which is 50. So let's say up to 30 miles, he'll charge $30. Add one more plus here, and then up to 50 miles, they'll charge 50. The key is This final one has to be up here, so you're making sure you're covering all the possible distances within your travel set here. Okay, after that, you're going to click next here. Say basketball lesson. This is going to be your session label. If you let's say if you did massages, you'd put maybe a 1-hour massage there. If you're teaching Spanish, you'd put a Spanish lesson. If you're cleaning a house, maybe you'd put how big the house was. We have service building guides, but for this one, just put session label. I'm just going to put basketball lesson, the price, let's say $200, and let's just say it's just 1 hour. Click add, okay? In here, we're just going to put a quick description. The goal right now, I'll tell you, the goal is really to get through this and then go back and fix it. Don't try to put so much time into doing every little thing. The goal is we want to submit this and then save it. So I'm going to put at your house. Let's put that. Okay. Next. These are the custom questions during checkout. Let's skip this just so we can submit this, get it saved, and then we can go back and add more. Let's click next. Let's upload a photo. I try to keep these under 200 kilobytes. If it gets bigger, it can load your page pretty slow. Next, we're going to click next. This is where you'll enable instant booking. This is where it's automatically approved. Otherwise, you have to approve it manually. Choose whatever you want to do. Let's say he wants to take instant bookings. Any restrictions? Let's say I only work with adults over with 18 plus. I don't know. I'm trying to make something up. Availability notes. I will be out of the country next month. I don't know. Whatever you want to tell clients. Checkout notes. I will confirm your booking after checkout. Whatever. This is your opportunity to really tell your client everything they need to know. So fill it in how you like. We're going to click next. This is going to summarize what we've put in. Remember, the goal the first time through is just to get this thing submitted. You'll have plenty of time to change it. Next, we're going to click submit. Boom. Okay. Service is successfully saved. That's exactly what we want to see. The good thing about that is, now it's going to ask us for availability. Thing is, because you put 1 hour, it's already checked. Just go in and try to put basic. Don't overthink this. The goal is we just want to put some availability. We can always go back and fix this. So I usually put 12 to 8. This is going to add a duration slot in between. I took the travel time down to 0. Repeat. Let's just go ahead and put daily, and we'll extend this all the way out till the end of the year. Okay. Click add. As you can see, that added things up. And this is the share page. I didn't expect that yet. Let's go back to availability. I want to show you what happened after added. You can see all of the slots get added here. If you need to reset availability, let's say you're going to be out of town. Let's say Thanksgiving, let's say. You want to reset all of this. You can click reset. As you can see here, it took out the availability. Let's go back to our service. Remember, it's not complete. We can view it here. This gives us an idea. And as you can see, we've already built this booking page. This booking page works right now. This has to get approved by admin. As you can see, we already have the location, the price, and everything here. This gives you an idea of how this is set up and how it all works. I know that's kind of a crazy little picture there, but that gets you to the basics. Now, to go back and make it exactly yours, you're going to go back to services. You're going to click edit service, and this is where you're going to go in and make some changes here. You'll see service booking guides that will teach you how to put custom questions here at the end and all of the other stuff. But this gives you a good idea. This is 6 minutes long. I said it took 5 minutes. But generally, this gives you everything you need. And if you need any more service building guides, please check out. I go through how to really do everything. I'll show you that right now, actually.